Hello everyone, today in this video we will know about some upcoming updates of WhatsApp for Android, iOS and PC, so let's start. 1. Chat Transfer. A new update through the Google Play beta program is testing out data transfers for Android users. WhatsApp is working on the process to move the chat history to a new Android device for a future update of the app. The feature will allow users to switch to a new Android device without having to back up their chat history on Google Drive. The platform is also working on a way to transfer chats from Android to iOS. 2. Proxy access. According to WebInfo, WhatsApp is introducing a new feature that will allow users to access the service through a proxy server. Using this feature will allow users to connect to WhatsApp when its access is blocked, for example through government censorship. The feature comes as a direct result of recent events in Iran where privacy and access rights were removed by the government. The feature is currently being rolled out. To connect to a proxy server through WhatsApp, go to Settings, Storage and Data Proxy. If the proxy has not been blocked, a green check mark will appear, indicating that you can now use WhatsApp through the proxy. Number 3. Kept Messages. A much requested feature for WhatsApp is also currently under development: bookmarking and keeping messages. With the advent of disappearing messages, the kept message system being developed will allow users to bookmark or keep certain messages in groups where disappearing messages are activated. These messages can also be unkept, after which they will disappear forever. It is worth noting that all participants in the conversation can delete these messages at any time, WebInfo said. Number 4. Multiple Actions. WhatsApp is also continuing its work on the desktop version of the app, bringing in some quality of life features. Revealed at the end of 2022, WhatsApp is working on a new feature to allow users to select multiple chats at once on the desktop app, making it easier to mute or mark them as read or unread. This feature is still in development and will be released in a future update. Number 5. Undo Delete for Me. After giving users more time to delete content from chats, WhatsApp is now working on the ability to undo deleted, though this is currently being restricted to the Delete for Me option in chats. This should help users who have accidentally deleted something from their chat windows. After deleting a message, image or video, the message deleted notification will have an undo button to reverse the deletion. The feature is currently rolling out. Share video with friends and subscribe for more.